Interested in a 2005 Holden Commodore?
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes.
Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.